Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today we're looking at the AMS Gloss Carbon Anti-Wind Buffeting Kit. And this is basically a carbon fiber plastic that allows you to redirect the air so that it doesn't buffet. And what that means is that sound when you're in a sedan or an SUV and you open the rear windows and it just feels like the wind is punching you in the ears. That happens in this car when you have the windows down, you're driving 50 or 60 miles per hour. So what I wanted to do was get these installed, and I recorded a before and after with a GoPro and decibel meter. What I noticed though is that it's actually very difficult to pick up on the wind buffeting just with the GoPro microphone and the decibel meter. So what we can hear is actually not picked up by the microphones. So I'm going to put the video content anyway for you to hear it and check it out after this. But just know that there is a huge difference in the cabin noise when you have these on. So I highly recommend them. And if there's anything you do to this car, this is definitely the most important one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'm going to put those videos on now.